What is he doing?
There you go. Oh! Hello everyone, we are here today for another illustrious episode of our own series. Leave that in. What is going on, guys? We are here today for another episode of Stupid Skate, the series in which we play a game of skate with something stupid. Are y'all ready?
Yeah!
Yeah.
JD, you have something on your head.
I have a box.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
It's an anti-beam. Okay, again, Rick, if you can catch it, it's a beamer. If not,
Don't let it drop.
Bubble wrap.
What the heck? Oh no.
Let me read the note. Let me read the note.
Hey, shout out
This
to
is You Make It, We Skate It? Hello, Gabe and the gang. That's what I like. Oh, this is from Bro Squad. Woo! What's up, big dog? We thought you guys could play a game of skate and then, wow. Keep a puke bucket for glow close. hey, shout out to you. You're a real one for knowing me like that. Be careful, have fun. Thanks for the great videos. Nolan wants to see Mo early grab in them. Have a good one, Josh and Nolan.
You got an early grab in them for Mowgli's sake.
I'm nervous. What are these?
these are goggles, Glow. You put them on, and you're staring straight, and your entire vision is flipped upside down.
Oh, I just ate.
Fully up. You see upside down.
Hey, it's a good look for you, Rick. It's just the mirrors and stuff.
Well, okay.
That's how things work. That's like you pull out a skateboard, and you're like, oh, it's just wood and things.
But it's like you see it's like tiny.
Let's get them open.
All right, we're halfway there.
Oh.
There we go. Now we're talking. All right, let me get a little peep real quick. See what we're working on.
Object of the
Spank that monkey.
Lizard King?
There will be no spanking of animals here. Oh my God. Hey, this is wild. You look like the very bugs that you try to save. If we go on a date, this is how I show up on the first one right here. Oh my God. Hey, there's no way. Front shove.
What's up, Rick?
Let it settle. Let it settle.
I'm about to
Hey, let's see it. Let's see it nollie heel.
Nah, I might sack that one. Aye. If I land primo, it's over. Hey, Gabe's legitly backward.
What is he doing?
Wait, is this the right way out now?
Dude, look at his eyes. Look if you look like, look at his.
You're normal. You're
Look at me, go. Look at me. Is it normal now?
Yeah.
Dude, he's bugging. Look at that.
Do I have them on upside down?
Do a kickflip.
I feel like I'm on the ceiling right now. Wait, I see my feet though. Where'd Gabe go? Oh.
Oh!
Did I do it?
Yeah.
Let me experience this, please. Ooh.
Rick undoubtedly looks the best.
Let's see the eyeballs.
What does he look like?
Oh, you can see the feet because your feet are normally here, but then they're boom. Where's my board? Dang, you really can't do anything. I don't even know if you're
Wait, what? You really can't like see?
Nah. Dang, that's wild.
Rick, you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
Alright, this is the thing. I'm trying to look to see my board and to watch my board. If I just look up, I can't see anything, and it's the same as if you have your eyes closed. But when I'm trying to look and see the board, it's crazy. Very, very disorienting. I wish you guys could see this firsthand, but you get to watch us secondhand.
I can't. I
Here,
feel
I'll
like.
help you, JD. Give me your hand, big dog.
Hey, you know, we didn't flat ground. Maybe we do full part. Full part? No way. No.
Oh!
All right,
Oh, yeah, okay. You can kind of see. Look.
Oh, it's upside down. You see?
Yeah.
You two be looking funky over there.
There you go.
Oh, let's see.
Whoa, oh, you're really getting bodied over here, huh?
I'm bodied.
I feel it as well.
Really?
Like when you
I
start
think
to feel cussing.
SKATE, Rochambeau. Let's
Oh
go.
my God. All right, let's get it.
Glow, keep that bucket close.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, dang, JD is last.
1, 2, 3.
Ricky is first.
Yeah. No, I had paper too.
Oh, Ricky
Did
and
you?
Uzi.
He had a rock, didn't he?
What are you
thought you had
doing?
Bro, this man is cat.
No, you had rock. Ricky, you're first.
Dang.
You're first. All right, so it's Ricky, Glow, Chris, Uzi, you. Before this video, you were feeling good. What number are you at now on a scale from 0 to 10?
I'm at a 4.7.
4.7?
My legs are just like
So
wobbly.
yeah, so if you're a 10, that's like the sickest you can be, right?
Yeah.
10 we got busting in the bucket.
All right, Rick, go ahead, set your trick. You gotta call it.
Pop shove.
Pop shove? You got to pop?
Yeah.
Oh! That's how you know it's hard when he messes up the pop shove. Here you go, he's about to go up to 5.7.
All I know is I'm going for letters, so whatever happens, happens.
Hey, throw it all up, brother. Throw it all up. What did you eat? Crispy Crunchy?
Yeah.
Look at JD with the bike. Switch front shove. If he throws up, get out of there.
We got the bucket ready.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
It's about to come out. I don't want to talk about it. I want to see you land it, big dog.
Front shove!
What do you do? I don't know how that looked, but it felt
It looked pretty
good.
bad. Oh!
It's tough out
How
here.
you feeling, Rick?
Yeah, good.
Oh! Letter!
Man.
Oh! He's back up. Hey, if you throw up, you're automatically disqualified. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
My trucks are too loose, bro.
Hey, you skate this board every day.
This reminds you of when we were in LA.
Take the hat off, Glow.
All right, let's go with the classic kick flip.
The flip of kick?
The flip of kick.
Oh! Hey, did you know where to put your hands down?
I was hoping there wasn't a skateboard there. I was just like, I had to trust myself. You want to see something?
Yeah.
All right, this one's for you, Gabe. Bravo 6, I'm going upside down. That was honestly like mind-blowing and dizzy.
Remember everything Aaron taught you. You stressed?
I'm stressing. I'm dizzy, and I gotta do a double flip. Come on, Uzi.
There you go, Rick. Looks like a bug. You look like a bug. Yeah.
Pass him over, big dog.
Yeah. Hey, come on. Give me a number, Glow. How you feeling? 7?
No, I'm at a 6.1. Bruh, my trucks are too loose. I thought I'd never saved it. I'm gonna find that bucket, trust me.
Yoshi down B coming in hot right here. Oh, there's the trash can.
Letter!
Rick's up with the front one.
What was the trick?
Front 180.
I'm not even a front side guy. As you can tell, my balance is way, way off. I thought I had that on it.
See these fine accessories right here. Oh, my shoe's untied. Let's see if I can tie it. That one was all feel right there.
Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Half cab? Full cab.
Who's? All right, Glow.
Bro Squad, you're a very, very good guy. This isn't a very, very good challenge. Come on, big dog. You just gotta take deep, deep, deep breaths.
All right, let's get it. Why are you upside down, Gabe?
Because you're wearing upside down goggles.
Oh, yeah. All right, upside down eye. my time. Here we go.
Oh!
Gorge!
Full speed, as fast as
Full
you can.
speed attack.
Letter!
Dang.
Right here, Glow. We believe. Oh, look at you. You're getting comfy now. Oh!
I was going for it.
All right, we're coming back to the kickflip.
We'll send it.
I tried to send it, tried to set it. I meant to say set, and I missed it, but JD came through, so I got to defend now.
Oh! Oh! Letter! What happened here? Hey, you look like you're struggling over there a little bit, Rick. You don't feel good?
Yeah, I just ate a big thing of mac and cheese, and
Dang.
I feel it churning.
How's your Ricky sickness meter going?
Maybe like 3.
Damn!
Guys, unstoppable.
Heel flip, JD, heel flip.
I do really want to see a full cab. Like any 360 spin is going to be like crazy hard with these goggles on.
Man down. All right, Rick.
Nolly and Wood? That's too much speed.
I'm going for the magnificent 3-shot. I definitely landed that.
That was a 540 shot, bro.
Bro, I've been trying that for years.
Even in like a regular game of skate, this is a lighter. But if I go by feel, we'll see. I just gotta get the good scoop, keep the front foot flat. The board spins around the front foot, and that'll keep it from flipping. That is the goal. We'll see.
Oh! Was that? That was it, huh? I can't do this trick with normal eyes, but maybe
Let's see what you do with advanced
when I go to the upside down, like in Stranger Things. That was the
He
scariest-
finally got a letter.
That was the scariest thing.
Blood has been drawn. No throw up has been thrown up. All right, JD, get it. Oh! Letter!
Yeah. Take that, JD.
100%. Switch from big.
Did I get close?
You got
though?
kind of close.
You do the full gab?
You should do the hard flip.
Well, that didn't go to plan.
My choice is to make a good choice, but I may make a bad one.
I'm gonna call a redo on that.
I'm on the board. Do you see you right now,
I mean,
Gabe?
you did a nollie shove. You didn't.
Redo?
Yeah. Oh! I'm gonna count that. That was much better than the first one you did. That is a letter for you, good sir.
Dang, I'm at T.
To get out.
Pterodactyl.
I don't think
I
you're
heard
ready.
you say T for Triceratops, though. If Triceratops is the best dinosaur, leave it in the comments below.
Definitely not. Oh! That was very impressive.
Because Triceratops. That's the only reason I landed it.
How's the dizzy level, Glow? What number you at?
Solid 6 right now.
Oh, we went down up to 0.1. Yeah! It's funny, he's landing these. You think he'd want to not be in the game anymore.
Putting his heart out there on the creek.
Yeah! One more. Oh! Hey, I'm really worried about you on this one, Rick. I'm
Why?
very worried
I
about you.
landed Trey already.
No, I know. I just, I worry about you.
Should I land it and try to roll into the wall?
Yeah.
It's actually so scary.
Let's go, Glow. 2 tries for Trey. Oh! One more try. Be careful.
I'm gonna just fully send this,
Yeah,
so
do
whatever
it.
happens, happens.
That's right.
All right, full send right here. Whatever happens, happens.
Let's get it up.
Oh!
Dang. That was close, huh?
Sorry for leaving my board.
You know what?
What are you thinking, Dan?
I think all these guys are just saying ridiculous tricks because they want me to miss. I'm gonna double back on them and I'm gonna do the ridiculous trick and then
Yeah, you show
they
them.
ain't gonna say nothing. I'm hitting the line right here.
Okay, rock to fakie.
Yeah.
All right, Chris, you're set.
We got a couple tricks that I want to try. Maybe like a hard flip, maybe a pressure flip.
I think we should do the full cab again.
Oh yeah, that's right. I didn't get that. All right, let's send that.
Yeah, you didn't. Oh!
Definitely spun all the way.
I thought I had it, and then I saw the ground upside down.
This gives me great fear for your life.
Why?
Because you cannot be trusted.
You
with
tell
these.
me, hey Ricky, skate this crazy build, this board, and you're chilling, and then this scares you?
Yes.
Come on.
It was not pretty, but I will
ain't a line
count.
though, brother.
All right, we're back. This is quick. I thought I was gonna land it. I didn't.
Come on, Ooze! That's hard.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's a T.
Yep.
Dang.
Yeah, I'm about to win it right now. Cap.
Cap.
This one you don't need to see, you just need to kick hard.
Down to my last slider. The guys are killing it. Try a hard flip. It's crazy how much I rely on my eyes to like catch the trick and put it down. The goggles, it's not happening.
Well,
But don't make that noise to me.
you're just going right towards the edge. I got scared. No, redo. You scared me.
Oh my God.
That
I'm
was
glad
funny.
that didn't go as bad as it could have.
And he's out of here. You know what you must do? Ooh,
Don't actually.
a switch flip. Oh, what? See, Ooze? I told you, brother. How you feel, Rick? You're at T.
I'm chilling. These eyes did flip upside down. You should just landed everything clean.
That was the best nollie heel I've ever seen you do. Dang!
Pop or no pop, I hate it.
Oh! And that is it.
JD just barely escaped with his life.
Easy. I should have known.
He is undefeated in Dizzy-related games. Killing it out here. Congratulations, my friend.
Hey,
That
do
was
you
good.
still think that the goggles are capped?
Yes.
All right, a huge thanks to Bro Squad Skate. You are the homie. We appreciate you giving us this idea and sending in the upside down goggles. If y'all ever have any ideas that you want us to make happen, go ahead and email me. You can DM me on Instagram. Anything, just let me know and I will make it happen. If you want to send us something, we will also skate that as well as part of our You Make It, We Skate It series. And if you ever have an idea for that, you can email us right here, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below, and we want you to learn how to skate. So if you haven't yet picked up a skateboard, go out, get a skateboard, and learn how to ride. Let's go.